Hey, what's up? Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks so much for watching Brent Speed TV. Today it's another 19 GT Whipple Supercharged, laying down over 700 roll horsepower. I have Doug with me today. We are going to go take a look. And just so you know, if any of you guys know Doug, this is one of his all-time favorite color combos, white with red interior. He gets so excited when a car like this comes in. So I'm glad it laid down good numbers. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. Let's go check it out. All right, so what do we have going on? All right, this car is an automatic. We have the Gen 5 Whipple Supercharger, but we are running 100 octane today. How do we get there? You had 93 octane added with some boosting. It gets us up to 100. We did one size pulley smaller. It's a 375 pulley, and that's about 11.7 pounds of boost. We did some other mods. Doug, come down here, take a look. So, you know, of course, this starts as a stage 2. The Gen 5 Whipple, we get the awesome, huge throttle body, but we did 1050 injectors. We have a boosted pump, of course, Kohler spark plugs, set of stainless power long tube headers, and my favorites were cylinder head cooling kit. We have billet oil pump gears. So it's a sweet setup. It's going to be very reliable on the street, and that makes killer power. Check out this dyno pull. All right, DynoJet SAE. Remember, this car is an automatic. 742 roll horsepower, peaking at 7,400 RPM. Torque comes in sweet, 570, peaking at 5,800 RPM. Doug, I know you want to. Let's take one more look at this car right here. This is probably what, you know, I'm sure the camera's on this right now. Doug loves red interior. He used to roll in a white Mustang with red interior, and every time one comes in, he gets so excited. So hey, I'm Brent from Brent Speed. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Happy to answer. I will put in the description links to all the parts we just talked about. You can email quote@brentspeed.com. Hey, what's this cost to get installed? We're in Indiana, and we can ship it right to your door because we have these superchargers in stock. Thanks for watching.